I'm going to explain to you how you can go from a beginner to becoming an experienced seller, and I'm going to be sharing with you 5 fantastic tips. And this isn't the usual type of video that you see on YouTube where you do this, you do that. Really, I'm going to be giving you 5 really good places where you're going to be able to gather more and more information, engage with other sellers like you, so that you can become an experienced seller, you can become a pro seller. So the first thing I want you to do is I want you to go ahead and join this Facebook group. I'll leave a link to it in the description of this video, and this Facebook group actually belongs to us, and what we do is we post winning products for you guys to go out and sell there, but it's also for everyone in the community. So if you ever have any questions, you need any additional support, you can go ahead and post your questions in this community, and I myself will try and help you. There'll be other people out there who'll try and help you. So let me just give you an example. So over here I shared, you know, a success story by someone who literally started off with 4 products a month ago, and he's done about 150 sales in a month, and you're going to see other people communicating, engaging with it. So people are posting questions here, and this is a fantastic place for you guys to actually go out there and communicate with each other and actually engage with the community and seek additional support. You are going to get support from the best people across the internet in this group. The next thing is I want you to go ahead and check out this website. It's called wholesalehustles.com. I'm going to show you why it's so good. There's so much stuff that you can get from this website. Yes, I know it may sound like I'm being biased because it's part of our community, Wholesale Hustles, but if you go over to wholesalehustles.com, you go over to products and you click on winning products. This is free for absolutely everyone. This section here, winning products, you could just go ahead, click on a product, and then you could sign up for and register for free. And what we do is we actually give daily product recommendations for you to sell. So let's have a look at this one here, view profit breakdown. So you gonna go ahead and click on that, 50Q animal squishes kawaii. So view product on eBay, you go ahead and click on that, and it will show you the actual live product on eBay. It's selling for £6.49. It's sold 8 times in the last 24 hours. How much is this? Wholesale price is 100 units for $277. 1 unit equals 10 pieces. So a 10 piece, if you go ahead and click on it, this person is selling a 10 piece set at £6.49. You could buy 100 units for around about £2.28 per unit, which is 10 pieces delivered. So if you sell it for £6.49, deduct the cost of how much it'll cost you, the postage cost by sending it via Royal Mail standard letter, any postage labels and bags, eBay fee, it means you'll be making £1.85 profit per sale on this specific item. £1.85, you're not going to get out of bed for that, I understand. But if we actually do Terapeak product research, let's see how well this product is selling. This listing has sold 151 times in the last 30 days. Now they're obviously selling it 10, 20, 30, 50 piece, but let's just say bare minimum that if they're making a minimum of £1.85 profit per sale, and they sold it 150 times in a month, from that one product alone they've made over £270 profit. And these product recommendations are stuff that we share on a daily basis. There will be other things on the website. I mean, if you become an elite member, you can get 10% off this price here. There's actually elite member only products, so once you become an elite member, you'll have products available only available for elite members. And there's AliExpress hot sellers as well, which is absolutely fantastic. So these are some of the trendiest items from AliExpress. Let me give you an example. So this specific product here, if you go ahead and click on view product price, we will show you that as an elite member you can buy this. Normally AliExpress are selling it for $3.15. That's £2.60 delivered. You can buy these wholesale 150 units for £185, meaning you only pay £1.24 per unit delivered compared to £2.60 on AliExpress. How popular is this product? You go ahead and click on view product on AliExpress. These are trending products that are selling very, very hot right now. It's sold over 10,000 times on AliExpress, over 1,800 reviews with an average of 4.8. So what you can then do is bring these products in wholesale. You could sell them to your Shopify store. You can go ahead and sell them on your eBay store. You can sell them wherever you like. Tip number 3 is to actually go ahead and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Look, if you're still watching this video, then chances are you are finding value in the content so far, and we will be uploading videos on a daily basis, sharing content with you, sharing tips with you, how to sell on eBay, how to sell on Etsy. That's something that's coming up as well, and sharing with you wholesale strategies. So if that's the kind of thing that you're interested in, it's definitely worth for you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that little bell notification button so you get notified next time we upload a video. And as a matter of fact, if you catch us live, you can post questions and I'll try and certainly answer them while we are here on the live stream. So that's definitely worth checking out. The number 3 thing that I want you guys to do is back to wholesalehustles.com, go over to the courses section. Yes, we've got paid coaching. Yes, we've got paid courses, but this is a free course absolutely available for absolutely everyone. I keep saying absolutely. So what you want to do is you just go ahead and click on join in the free one, and then once you join, online. You just put your email in, your name in, and then you are registered, and then you will have access to the free course, which is a step-by-step guide teaching you how to get started with a wholesale business on eBay. If you've been thinking about starting a wholesale business, then you absolutely have no excuses. You need to be registering to this course for absolutely free. Tip number 4 is you want to go over to Google and then you type in eBay Community Hub, and this is a free eBay Community Hub by eBay. Okay, you are going to get some really good valuable information. You're going to get updates about eBay. You're going to get community discussions. There's forums, so sometimes you might have certain issues on eBay. You can post your questions in here, and chances are someone's had that issue before, and you will find the community jumping in, supporting each other. This is how you're going to level up on eBay. This is how you're going to become a pro eBay seller, by following these 5 tips. If you found value in this content, you definitely need to watch the video that you see on screen right now, where I share with you 10 tips on how to get more sales on eBay. Click on that video to become an even bigger pro seller.